Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside TikTok, open the app and go straight to the video with captions. Once the video is visible, tap the screen to reveal controls. This exposes the subtitle toggle or menu. Make sure you're viewing the original post, not a shared link, that can hide some options. If captions were auto-generated, you'll often see a CC button or three-dot menu near the share icons. Tap that button to begin turning subtitles off and proceed to the next step. Once you tapped the CC or three-dot menu, choose Captions, Subtitles, or Accessibility. These labels vary by app version, so look for similar wording. You'll see a switch for auto-generated captions or a toggle labeled Subtitles. Flip it off to remove text for that playback. If it's in Settings instead, tap Settings, then Accessibility, and disable video captions. This changes behavior for future videos. Make sure the toggle shows off before closing. After turning captions off, play the video to confirm they are gone. A brief seek forward confirms the change. If subtitles remain, close and restart the app, because some versions need a refresh to apply the toggle. Make sure TikTok is up to date. Outdated builds sometimes ignore caption commands. If problems persist, check your device's accessibility caption settings. System-level subtitles can override app toggles. One quick troubleshooting tip: reinstalling the app resets caption behavior without affecting account data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.